never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love.
This is the Everyday Rear Bicycle Rack from Portland Design Works. This rack looks really good, especially on urban commuter bikes. It's a little bit thinner widths than some of the other rear racks that we do, so it looks good even on road bikes. Speaking of road bikes, many of them don't have eyelets down at the bottom by the hub. If your bike is like that, this can still attach. You can actually run your rear skewer right through these holes, and it'll attach to your bike without having those eyelets. Up top you have these two stays that can be flipped to the inside. They can go up, down, you can extend them, make them shorter, and if you don't have eyelets up top, there are two insulated C-clamps that we include so that you can just wrap those around your seat stays and attach the rack to that. There are these horizontal bars that you can attach your pannier bags to. Gets them a little bit lower, which makes it a little bit nicer when you're turning your bicycle. You've got that lower center of gravity. There's these additional holes down here so that if you have fenders, you don't have to have your fender stays and your bike rack on the same eyelet. You can attach your fenders right to this hole and keep them separate. Also, it gives you a place to attach fenders if your bike does not have eyelets to begin with. And then these cutouts here are for your pannier bags to attach to down below. That is the Everyday Rack from Portland Design Works. A very good looking rear carrier rack for your urban commuter bicycle.